Let's head to Meru now, and embattled Meru Governor Kawera Mwangaza for the first time today surrendered to members of the Meru County Assembly by signing an 11.8 billion shillings Meru County budget, in which the Meru MCAs slashed more than 7 million shillings from the 10 million shillings that had been allocated to her office. Mwangaza, who today painted a picture of a governor without power and at the mercy of her MCAs, said she had no option but to pass the budget, in which the MCAs allocated more than 1.2 billion shillings to themselves to avoid fights with the members of the County Assembly who recently impeached her. KTN's David Mothoka reports.
Just days after members of the Meru County Assembly kicked out embattled Meru Governor Kawera Mwangaza from office, only for the High Court to temporarily suspend her impeachment, the Meru MCAs are not giving Mwangaza any chance to see the light. Speaking after signing an 11.8 billion shilling 2024-2025 Meru County budget, a seemingly helpless Governor Mwangaza revealed that the MCAs have now slashed more than 7 million shillings from the 10 million shillings meant for her office in this financial year.
Wamebakisha 3 million peke yake kwa ofisi yangu ya fuel, lakini nimesema nitatembea na hiyo pahali itakwama, nitachukua bodaboda na nitaingia kwa mashinani vizuri kuangalia watu wetu na pia kupeleka maendeleo kwa mashinani.
Kawera has further stated that it is not just her office that the MCAs touched in the budget, but also money allocated to crucial county programs, including programs for people living with disabilities and the elderly, that she claims has now been diverted to luxury.
Pesa zimetolewa nyingi kutoka kwa department zikapelekwa kwa County Public Service Board. Na tulipoangalia hiyo pesa imeenda pale kwa sababu gani, tunakuta ni mambo ya starehe, kutembea Mombasa, kutembea Kisumu, kutembea Nairobi. Kwa hivyo tunamshukuru Mungu, maana MCA watapata manyumba mazuri sana na pia watanunua magari, na hiyo tunamshukuru Mungu, lakini bado wajane na wale wazee na wale watu wa PWD wataendelea kuumia.
Mwangaza, who painted the picture of a governor without power and a master at the behest of her subjects, said she had no option but to sign the budget.
Hatuna la kufanya, maana wako na hiyo power ambayo imekuwa bestowed to them. Lazima watupatie tusaini. Tukaona tusiposaini watapata kizingizio kingine ya kwamba governor mkatili, governor amekataa kusaini, madaktari wamegoma, hatuna hiki na kile. Tumesema tusaini.
Kawera's unprecedented move could be interpreted as an attempt to get into the MCA's good books ahead of the hearing of a case in which she has challenged her impeachment and which is her last legal resort. David Muthoka, KTN News.
Thank you, David. Let's talk matters health now. And Kenya has confirmed a second Mpox case in a truck driver traveling for